I have a mod. There's a mod I created for Concord, which makes it into a settlement. Unfortunately, what can happen is, for example, settlement the settlement populations, I say, can quite happily, easily pick up weapons I leave in a box or whatever and run off with them. I had it the other day. I had about 3 of my suits of power armor, thanks to my mistake with giving them power. Anyway, thanks to my mistake, I had them running around 3, maybe 4 suits of power armor. It wasn't a big deal because they weren't going to leave the settlement, but at the same time, I had to run around looking for them, and it was just a pain in the ass. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the Museum of Freedom in Concord into a separate settlement that I can build stuff in, but I can sort of same as a settlement, so I'll be able to build it, rebuild it, and delete things from it. But what I won't be able to do is have settlers in there. I don't want to do that. I want to have just me. If I want to ever put, and then if I ever want anybody else in there, it'll be a settler. Hello, 1 like. Thank you. I haven't done anything yet. I'm just loading up the master files for Fallout 4, and I'm loading all the DLC. So I've got everything I want there. I want on my list. I've got a place. I want a storage place to put things. I want a place to put all my power armor and anything else, like a museum. I think museum's kind of appropriate, and because my main settlement is in Concord, I think the Museum of Freedom is a good place. I have been thinking about doing this, but I haven't done it yet. So I'll do what I can today, and we'll sort of take it from there. Now, Museum of Freedom is an interior, so it's going to be here somewhere. Let me see if I can find it. MUS. I said M. Oh, it's Concord. I think it's Concord. Museum 1. That'll be it. Open it and take it from there. There's another one that I could do is the speakeasy factory. I suppose that's the workhouse. Don't know. Yeah, it's named workhouse. There it is. Now, yeah, there's going to be markers all over the place, but once you've been in there the first time, nobody goes in, and any quest triggers have gone. So I'm all right in that respect. I don't need to worry about that thing there. I just need to do that. I've got my notes here. This is how you do it. If you want to know how to create something, have a look in the description. There's a link there to Thord. I can't remember what it's called. I made a second channel ages ago, and I never actually did anything with it. But it has got instructions there for installation of Creation Kit and Geck. And also for how to create one of these settlements, and this is my notes that I made for that. So anyway, Thord mods, that's it. Thord mods, the channel. Right, so what I want to do first then is I'm going to use these because I haven't done this for ages. If you are editing an existing location, look at it and check which cells are part of the location. The player tester will have to clear every part of that location, which could include internal cells. The cell in which your settlement is located must all share the same location, and the keywords must include. So let's have a look. The location, if I edit, I think it will. Here it is. Load EDS name. Can I make this bigger? Oh, location. Concord Museum location. There it is. So go into here. I just type Concord. I think everything is going to be like that. Concord Museum location. So MUS. There it is. This. So I'm going to go to use info, and it's going to show me any cells that use it. And we've got location 6. I don't know what all that is. Concord location. Oh, Concord location. Why is Concord location using it? Let's see. Concord. Location. This should be using it. It used location reference types, editor ID. That's interesting, no? RE. Random encounter. Oh, of course, yes, because it's Concord. It's outside Concord. Reference to counter zone. Cells. Oh, right. Oh, this answers a lot of questions for me. Oh. All right. Concord Museum. Yeah, because for my other mod, it modifies this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and I think there's something. I think it's the reason this is here. I think it's the map marker. Okay. This one. So if you look, museum Concord location now. I don't see it. Info. Concord zone. Concord museum location. Why? Why is it used for? What's the connection? Well, I don't think it'll matter. I don't think it'll matter. Just get there. So then, location is this. I never double click because I think I could make edits for that. Right. So reference types, and I have to add some things. Okay, if you're editing this is there. So this might not. This isn't like the wonderful thing, but anyway. So okay, that's done. Location keywords. Keywords must include. Wait a minute. Keywords. It's these. Clearable dungeon. That's fine. And it needs to be clearable. We need location type, workshop settlement. Okay, add that. Let's do this one at a time because there's quite a few there, isn't there? Add. So workshop. Oh dear. Workshop settlement. I don't know how many of these I'm going to need to add because I mean, it's not a settlement. It's location type workshop. I'm going to try it without that. I'm going to try it with without. It's not a settlement. So I'm going to try it with workshop, and is it clearable? Anyway, location type workshop. Workshop what? Workshop. Location type workshop. There we go. Just try that. I want to. This is new. A little bit to me. Right, encounter zone. Oh, it's encounter zone. So let's just see that and see what happens. Link it to the map marker. Oh. Well, it's interior, so I'm not going to do that either. Clearable. Needs to be clearable. It is. Done. Try that. Encounter zone never resets and workshop must be ticked. The encounter zone is no. Okay. Edit. It'll be in here. Image space. All right. Concord Museum Zone. It must be here. It is. Concord Museum. Never resets and workshop must be ticked. Never resets. Maximum level 5. That's interesting. Max marker. Map marker. Doesn't matter. Quest. Oh no, I forgot about that. Okay, I'm going to save it. And we'll call it Thord TV Conk Museum Home. That'll do. Next. I hate making quests. Oh dear, hang on. New. What happens if I click that? Don't get anything. I can't even remember what quests are. They're not there. They're in. Quest. Must be a quest called Quest, isn't there? Here they are. Items. I think it's in a funny place. It's like character Irie. I like character, look. Of course it is. Can I click on there? No, new. Ew. Quests. They are when you start a new game, quest runs, which scans for any settlements, marking them as such in your save game file. Because the mod will often be added later, it must have a quest of its own, which runs the workshop add location script to add it to list of quest data, ID, anything you like. I called it Thord. What did I call the mod? What's written in up there? So I got it Thord TV Conk Museum. Call it the same thing. Home. Okay, it's only an ID. I'm calling it what, it doesn't matter what I'm calling it really. ID priority 41. Yeah, 41. I don't know why. But it works. Location, that of the settlement, see above. Location. Yeah. What's it called? Concord Museum, wasn't it? Concord location, Concord Museum location. Game start enabled and run once. Start game enabled, run once. Quest stages are, hang on, let's save it. Keep doing this, right? You just, okay, save. All right, and then I can type Thord TV. There you go. Never duplicate a quest. If you're making a quest, don't duplicate the old one because there'll be stuff left behind and maybe references to other things, and you can break the game, cause conflicts, do all kinds of damage. Let's make a new quest. Never copy and duplicate or whatever. Same for an interior cell. You either use the one that's already there, or make a new one. But don't copy and paste because you'll confuse the game. Right, index 10. It's this. All right, so new 10. Index 10 and create a new log entry here. There. And oh, I see. Right. The log entry is just whatever you like. So here we go. Start, and then the next one, index 20, should be end. Now only 20, and it's a new log entry. End. So then you've just got start, end. Okay it. Save it. Quest aliases. Quest aliases. Create a new ref collection alias by writing. Yeah, okay. New reference. Wait a minute, was that new refs? Did I click on the wrong one then? I might have. Cancel that. Yeah, I did. I want the second one. These warnings are kind of like, they're not bugs, but they might be bugs within the game. So the best thing is always just ignore them. Right. Sometimes if it's something wrong with the mod, they'll warn you. So you did right. Create a new ref by right clicking, alias name, something like settlement name, workshops. Oh, up there. Okay, so we've got it forward. TV, Conk, museum, home. There we go. I'll do easy to find. That's why. And workshops. It suggests. Maybe Conk Museum Home. No, I want Thor TV. Thor TV. I don't want it. Thor TV Museum. There we go. Workshop. Thor TV Conk Museum. It's got to be unique. And if I make another mod with a workshop in a museum. Match conditions, has keyword, workshop keyword. Has keyword, where's it gone? Has keyword. What's the keyword? Statement name, works. Oh, wait a minute. There, workshop. Has keyword, workshop keyword. Oh, hang on. Has keyword. Yes. Workshop. What's it called? Workshop keyword. Get away. There's a bit of imagination going on there. Workshop keyword, and then location has keyword. Location work. Remember, I said I wasn't going to do that. But I will add that. I'm a bit worried it's going to conflict with Concord. So I will location as keyword. Okay. New. And this one is location has keyword, and the next one is the keyword. It wants Loctite workshop settlement. Keyword. Lock type. What was it? Workshop. Location has get Loctite workshop settlement. Type. Workshop settlement. Well, I gave it. I gave it Loctite workshop already. So why don't I just try to see what happens if I add it with just workshop here. There, look. Try it. And the next one is getting current location, and then it's the location. So getting current location, and it is okay. So it's called Conk something. Conk Museum something. Concord Museum location. There it is. Like that. Click on OK. Close the quest. Save it. Oh, okay, all the way back. Save it and open it again. Next. Scripts. Add the script. That one. At the end here. Add. And what's it called? Workshop add location script. No. Workshop. Oh, I missed that. Okay. I was thinking, oh no, it's game. Game's broken. It's called workshop add location script add. There we go. Lovely. Add location script. Up come the properties, and I want workshop parent is workshop parent. Is workshop parent. Now really, and the other one is properties. Workshop parent is workshop parent. Workshops collection is quest name. Workshop collection is quest name, which is GoTV something. GoTV, there it is. Of course it is. And then name of your created alias. Ah, okay. I was thinking, what did I call it? Oh, that's the quest. Okay, fine. Save. Now, I've got to put in here somewhere a workshop, workbench. I think probably. Oh, what's that? Dusty dimmer. There. Like downstairs, there's a. Oh, did I just move something then? No. There's this thing here. When you go down, you get the diddly thing. Oh wait, it needs to be accessible, doesn't it? So I can like walk in and put junk in. No, I'm not having junk. Well, I am, but I'm doing this in a slightly different, well, very different way. I'll put it under these stairs, or yeah, put it there. Look, I'll save it. It's always saved, but can't do it too many times. Right, okay. Add the following to your settlement. Give the item. Okay, place a workshop workbench. Place a workshop workbench. Workshop workbench. Or workshop workbench. Spin it around a bit. That looks a bit too big, isn't it? Edit. Oh, no. I can make it. Oh. I can always make it bigger. It's not that it's floating. So we just sort of move it. Oh, I see why it's like that. Okay, and move it back a bit. If I press F. Okay, good. I think that's going to be okay there. We'll see. And it needs a script. Workshop script properties do not need to be changed. If you want to experiment with them, fine. So, fine. Done. Next. Place a container called workshop resource container settlement. Workshop resource. Oh, good grief. Resource. Resource container. Resource container settlement. Here it is. Where's it gone? Yeah. Workshop. Is it because I got markers off? Yeah, it is. Okay, fine. That is, it's kind of an invisible one, but put it. Oh. There. You know, in like Skyrim and others, you can like go through the ground and there's a chest. Merchants. It's because it's a bit like this. It's sort of like that one, and if they put it a bit too high up, yeah. Okay. Anyway, that's done. Link to it from the workshop workbench with workshop link container. So great. So we need to edit that one. Link ref there. Oh, new. And it's, what is it going to be called? Workshop, the keyword, workshop link container. Keyword. Workshop. Where is it gone? Workshop link container. When in the workshop, in the workbench, you know what's happening? You click on the workbench, and the workbench isn't a box. The box is this green thing, and that is why the settlers don't open the box. Okay. No, not open the workbench. Everything is safe in there, except it can be recycled. And I've got a work link to it. Okay, fine. So I've got a link to this thing. Concord is in one. Where's my workshop link container? Right, that's fine. Save it. Next. Oh god, here we go. Build. This is your buildable area. Build area. Okay. Default empty trigger. I hate these because they're big. I'll put it here for now. I'll make it bigger later. What is it called? Default empty trigger. Is that the one? Yeah. Default empty. I always like I'm like clicking on random things up here because when you click on all, it searches through every asset in the game, and it'll take forever. There it is. Look, that's got to be as big as Concord or whatever you're gonna do for your settlement. It's a nightmare. I hate it. Right, and it's got to be linked to the workshop workbench with a Google workshop linked primitive. All right. So we're going to edit that first, and I'm going to give it an ID. Doesn't say do that, but forward CV, and this is buildable area, and then it's got a link to the workbench. So it's linking to this thing. DLC 1. Oh, I got that's the wrong one, isn't it? Workshop. Oh, wait a minute. Workshop went linked ref to the workshop workbench with keyword. Yeah, okay. This is, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. So now I want to. Oh dear. What have I just clicked on? I'll click on this again. It's down here. Hit it. I thought I edited. Okay, edit this one. Look, edit, delete. Okay, I've used the wrong one. I've used workshop DLC 1. I don't know what DLC. That's probably, that might be. Is it the robot thing? Workshop workbench is what I need. No, that's DLC 1. I want there, workshop workbench. I'm ignoring the one it's called interior, probably just looks different or something like that. So this one is to go. Oh, wait a minute. A ref tag with a location reference type, yes. So they look the same. It's probably got a different script or something. I need to go spin it around. That. Actually, you can always edit it, really. You can usually edit it and give it like a, this will be 180 or something. They usually build their things like that. Okay, right, whatever. Just flip it back to the wall. Down a bit, you press Z, left click, you can like that, and there we go. Whoopsie. Okay. So I did one of those. Script doesn't need to be changed. You want to make so place the container, link to it from the workshop workbench with workshop link container. Oh dear, come here. There, look, it's this. So edit. Oh, well, if you, I mean, I really probably don't care, but you can always like do this. So if you don't know, like if you do this, if you don't want to click on things, I can do that, and I can find Concord, and it's in Concord Museum 1, so I can find it like there. And I can filter, and it's workshop resource container settlement. I can find it like that if I don't want to click on it in the reference window. And then it's the link to it, the key workshop link container. So, but then down in here you're gonna workshop workshop link container. That's better. Right, and then the default empty trigger. Now, actually, what else I'm going to do? I'm going to put up here. I'm going to put for TV. Conk Museum. Conk Museum workbench, I suppose, isn't it? Workbench. I'm going to copy that like that. Edit. Put it in here. Put resource container. Okay, because you can see this thing and this thing here. Everything that's to do with this is going to be called. Going to include that there. Buildable area. I don't know the maximum length. Maybe there isn't one. So the buildable area, and then it's called. This was link it from the workshop. Okay. From here. Oops, see this thing. But if I now type Floor TV, I can see them all down here. So I want to do the workbench, and I'm going to link to. I'll select it and check it. It's got buildable area. That's good. And it wants a keyword, I suppose. With workshop linked primitive. So here, workshop linked primitive. Workshop linked primitive. Okay, but there's more to it than that. Oh, stupid. Sandbox. No. Oh yeah, right. Primitive is a buildable area. Sandbox is where your settlers can walk, so you don't have to let them walk everywhere. And then workshop link spawn. Yeah, okay and save. I'm gonna add that, but I don't think it matters because I'm not gonna be having any settlers in. Maybe I don't even need it. All right, so they say this is where your settlers will spawn. Okay, I'm going to try not putting one in because I don't want settlers, and I'm not having settlers. It's just a house thing. So maybe I don't need that. Place an X marker heading. Might not need that either. We'll just see. Don't need a tax. Location edge markers. Tax optional. Place crafting stations. No. Place a workshop, set own trigger linked to the workshop. No. Settlement order. No. Link ref to workshop using okay. Build next one heading. Caravan destination reference type. That might be it. I'm going to try it. Just see what happens. It is just for me. It's not. I'm giving it to anybody else. Just for me to mess about with. So let's have a look. So I could down here. Well, I use a very old Nexus mod manager, but I want it. I don't want a conflict with the Concord settlement. Okay, so let's see. Turn the sound off on the speakers. I'm not going to make a character just to test the mods. I will, but I want to check it with a playing character. Play it the guy I'm playing with first. You won't have sound load. We need him to load like. Have we got one? That's Concord. That's safe there. I think that's safe. I think it's a settlement. Is that? Oh, I don't know how much, if anything, I'll be able to delete inside the house because I've done this before for that place. I've actually got a mod that does it anyway, but I can't remember. That mod is so old. I don't know if I finished it. I don't know if it's got bugs in it. I don't know what's happening. And this won't finish it. This one will get me a play. Will set it up, but I probably won't be able to delete very much of it because it's yeah, whatever. Now, something I could do. Yeah, look, I'm safe here. What I'm going to do though, I'm going to go into God mode because things happen. We'll go to now. The map markers, okay. I don't mind that saying 29 because that was weird, but it's what it said before. I'm going to go to Concord. Now that quest should have run. But we'll see what happens. I don't know. Quest should run once and it should add it to the list of settlements. Okay. Now, to be honest with you, it doesn't matter to me if it's in the list of, well, it shouldn't be in the list of settlements. So maybe that's not, that whole quest thing is just not needed. I think I'll have a look into that. The reason a map marker, I've got two map markers that show the settlement numbers, things like that, is it's because, what? Whoops. Yeah, it's just that the location of both of those map markers is Concord, so because Concord's a settlement, they're both marked as settlements. Let's just do that. Open. That should be it. Should be okay now. I might have to kill everybody. See, might be somebody in here now. Find out. Anyone here? No. So if I go down into the basement, hang on. Unlock. Now if I look down here, there's the thing, look. You need to clear the enemies from your location. Kill all. Will that do it? No. I could spawn an NPC and kill him. It's just wait. I know what that's a script thing. Oh, I didn't make this thing. Fill the whatever. What I wrote in the script instructions. Look, it says ownership, mode, building budget, flags, owned by player, and starts hostile and all this stuff. Where is it? I can't remember where it is. Set the files to not use the workshop faction. The actor that gets created when a settlement makes a request. Okay. Custom owned message. Allow Brahmin recruitment. Nope. That's fine. I don't want anybody. This is right, you know, how much can you build in there? But I don't think flags owned by player, starts hostile, naval. Oh, here we are. Will become usable when the location is cleared. All right. No. So or what unowned. Activate after the location. Right. So let's just set it to owned by player. That should be all right. I don't want attacks. Allow attacks before owned. No, I don't want that. Well, let's say I don't know what that's going to do to the thing, so we'll just change that. Let's save it. Oh wait, this bloody thing. This box down here. All right, we'll press 2. It needs to be as big as the. What happens? It needs to be as big as this as the cell, or bigger, even. It's because it's where you can build. It's okay for it to be bigger, but it can't be smaller. Than how big where you want to build. So we just, I don't know. So here I would be able to build on the floor down here, but not upstairs. So let's just that'll do. Oh look, it goes over here as well. Let's go down a bit. There. The church is actually outside it, but it's there because you can see out of windows. So, and save it again. Forgot about that. I'll see if that works. It was promising because it gave me a nice message there. Oh, did I say start owned by player? I can't remember. No. I'm gonna do it with that. Hey ho. Might have to leave. Maybe if I leave and go back in, or I don't know. I don't know. But I'll be interested to see what happens anyway. Obviously, I could just hold down the letter V. That would do it too. See how easy it is. Look, it's 44 minutes. Not hard. Right. So we're here now. You need to clear the enemies from your location. I got it wrong. Well, let's leave and come back in a minute. Actually, I can tell you what I can do. It's this thing. Let's look at the script. And I can't save it when the game's running or edit it or whatever, but use ownership faction. Owned by player, yes. Starts hostile, false. Enable automatic player ownership, false. Workshop won't be used by player until set owned by player is true. Owned by player is true. Workshop will automatically become usable when the if I started the game using this, I would have come in here, killed everybody, it would be cleared, and then everything would be fine. But no. So if it's true, I can clear it. If it's false, it will only be used by me if I use a trigger. But I'd rather not have to do that. True, workshop can become owned due to low happiness. Recruitment, allow attacks before allow attacks. Ungrouped, parent quest. Okay. Workshop radius, radio, and all that stuff. Use ownership. Can I set it to me? Custom maximum triangles, flags. Owned by player, yes. Starts hostile, no. Enable automatic player ownership. Allow unowned from low happiness. Okay. Well then, false. Workshop won't be usable by player. I'm going to try leaving and going back in. It doesn't say it's cleared. If you look at the map, it just says Museum of Freedom. It doesn't say Museum of Freedom cleared. So I'm going to do this. I might just spawn. If I spawn something and kill it, it'll be cleared, I would think. I don't know. I'm gonna check. Fallout 4 console set cleared. Fallout console commands. Clear. Clear console. No, I don't want that. Thank you very much. It's 31 entries. Clear. Total collision. Clear screen blood. Commonwealth clear. Other IDs. Well, let's try if I just kill all, isn't it? Is it kill all? Kills the target. Kill all. Kills all NPCs and creatures in the area except for companions and essential NPCs. I don't know why it's taking so long. I've had this problem recently. I don't think it's the mod. It's the I think it's the computer actually. I think it's something to do with graphics, drivers, and things like that. But we'll see. No, I just there we go. So what? While I'm here, edit. If I say owned by player, no, it is You do want it to be owned by player or workshops that are unowned. Activate after location is cleared to own. Well, clear that and just see what happens. Maybe you won't get one. Okay. The PC is my computer's still whizzing away. The hard disk is just something. I don't know why it happens. Recently, it does. Fallout 4. Spawn. NPC. This is on my laptop. That's why you're not. Fallout 4. Spawn codes. Guide. I just want to know. Here we go. Oh, it's in. Okay. Control fine. Spawn. NPC. Oh. Target ID kill. Place at me. Set that. Block. I can spawn a death claw. What is? I'm waiting for my hard disk to calm down. There it is. I can hear it, but it's no. I'll see what happens. Spawn a toilet directly in front of me. I don't know if it'll work. Whatever. Load. Museum of Freedom. Quick save. Oh. Yeah, that'll do. As long as it says I'm not going to load it because it's you need to clear it first. That's all right. I'll spawn a death claw because it's the only code I've got. It's where are we? Player.place at me 1db4c space 1. Spawn dope. I don't want to do that really. I want to spawn a radar. Something like that. Because a death claw takes up too much room. Spawn a radar. How do you spawn a radar in Fallout 4? Ah, here we go. Got one. God mode. I do not want to. Yeah, I don't want to die. Just because I'm, you know, killing a radar. And one's enough, I think. Alright. Just unlock. I can't be bothered to pick it. Oh, alright. Boom. Hello? Yeah, there we are. Let's just need to clear the enemies first. So I do player. Dot place at me, and it says 0001 dB for C. No. Reading the wrong thing. Play it with me. 000 20749 1. I want 1. Right. Does it, by the way? It doesn't say cleared. Oh, bugger. Desktop. I think I could just use a workshop set owned trigger and walk through that. I think by default the workshop and workbench become yours after the location is cleared. You see, if there's nothing to kill or you want to take ownership before clearing the location, just place this for your character to walk through. So I'll put a thing here. It's another one of these default things. Defaults. Oh, what are they called? Trigger? No, it's not called trigger. It's default. One of these. Default empty trigger. That's it. This. Like that. Make it a bit bigger than that, I think. Go. Do I walk through it? I don't want to get this wrong. Like that. And then I got a link. Workshop sound. Yeah. Okay. Linked to the workshop. Place a workshop, set own trip. Oh, is there a proper thing? Workshop. Set. Oh, there is. There's a proper thing. Okay. Delete that one. Put that one in. Okay. Make it a bit bigger than that though. I have actually got to walk through it. So just doop. I mean, I can't not walk through that, can I? So edit that. And I got, remember, thought to become museum set owned. There we go. And this has got, well, there's no properties, just walk through it, obviously. Right, so okay, and I edit it again. And then what do? Link it to the workshop. Just link it. Link ref. Link to that thing. And there. There we go. There. Let's try that. See if that works. Oh. I do hope so. Anything. Well, I haven't been looking at chat for ages. No good. Nobody's there. I'll get back to the normal stream in a minute. Just nearly done this now. Load this. Museum of Freedom. No. Click save. It might be because I've got 29 people living at the settlement. I've got 30 now, but it was 29. I haven't had that problem though. I had no problem with that at all. Until now. I've had problems with the game. Oh, I've noticed, you know, my game file was 10 megabytes, which is pretty big. I think it starts off at about 5. It's gone up to 10 megabytes, the actual save game. But then when I added this motorbike thing that you can use for fast travel, it went from 10 to 15. And now it stopped at 15. I wish I had not done it now. I wish I hadn't added it. Because thinking I don't like it much, but if I take it off, I'll have trouble. Right. Let's just walk in. I don't want it to show as a settlement, really, in the list. It doesn't have to be in the list of settlements, but that quest I created adds it as one of the settlements. So maybe I might try unlock this. Now, it works. I'm outside the build. What? No, I'm not. I'm not outside the buildable area. Oh, what a shame. Yeah, I am. That is the buildable area there. Edit. Workshop linked primitive. I thought that was I mean, there is a second one, and that is the. But that is the. Am I gonna do that? Sandbox one. That's the one I haven't added. All right, I'll add it, and then we'll find out, won't we? Yeah. Then I've got so much. Okay. Default empty trigger. Default. Yeah, there we go. This. It. Sandbox. And I gotta link it. Oh, maybe, you know what? It's something I've never tried before. All right, now, if it is linked from as that, what if I add another? I edit this and then link it with the keyword of settlement. Not that. I mean, why? That makes sense, does it? Really? Am I outside the buildable area? Let's just do this. Let's just do this. So it says you make another one. Locate, link it from the workshop with workshop linked sandbox. So let's add another one now. And this time, again, what is it called? called Museum. Concord Museum internal. One, that's it. And I'm going to link it to yeah, the buildable area, and this time I will use the keyword of workshop linked sandbox. I wonder if that will work. Oh, whoops. Workshop linked sandbox. Yeah. Workshop linked. What? Hang on. Keyword workshop linked sandbox. Workshop linked. Oh, link. Hey. They got one thing with two keywords on it. I don't see why that shouldn't work, really. Okay, I mean, I can easily. Hello, Ari Cassidy. Ari, I think it called you Ari the other day. Anyway, load again. I'm modding. I'm just trying to make a mod. What was that? Because I've had problems recently with the settlers stealing my power armor, and they can take weapons and all sorts of things like that. And I wasn't sure I built a bit where I wanted to put my base as well. So what I want to try and do is put it inside the museum, and then I can do everything I want to do in there. Yeah. Do it something like that. Just feel like it would make life a bit easier. The only thing that wouldn't be easier is my resources are not there, but I can just put lots of stuff in the box and then transfer it over and delete the box. Put it all in the workbench. So I'll give myself like 1,000 of everything or something like that, and that should do it. 1,000 oil, 1,000 concrete, all that sort of thing. Oh, you like Harry? Harry's okay. Good. Yeah. Harry. It was who was it now? A regular. It was a regular, but I can't remember who. Yeah. Let's have a look anyway. I mean, I could look at home. What's it called? Home plate. I'd have to edit this, I think. Oh no, it doesn't matter. It's only for me. Oh, I keep doing that. I must be typing or not clicking on it or something. Right. Ah, no, I'm still outside the buildable area. What have I done wrong? Shit. Game start enabled run well. Done. Quest stages. Quest aliases. Has keyword. Location has keyword. Lock type workshop settlement. Yeah, but it is that, I think. Click on OK. Scripts. Parent add. I think that's okay. It's all the. It's the thing. Oh dear. I think it's not workshop linked primitive. I mean, I've done this, I don't know, multiple times. It's not my first settlement. I'm not sure why. I don't know why it's not working here. Link from. Oh. Link to ref. Buildable area. Alright, so maybe then you can't. Alright, so then, oh, that's a shame. Okay, put another one in here. But edit, no, not edit that one. I do link from. And this one, workshop linked sandbox. Oh, because maybe maybe it's just not not just the settlers that are moving, it's me as well, isn't it? I'm in the sandbox as well. So yeah, maybe I do need both. So link from the workshop. New link. No. Edit. Sandbox. Okay. Edit. New. Sandbox. Keyword. Workshop linked sandbox. Workshop. Let's have a look here actually. Link. Is there an ED linked? All right. So yes, that is correct. And I don't want to. I'm going to do. Don't want Brahmin walking around here. All right, let's have a go. No. I got it. God. Not it. Workshop. Yes. Oh, I've called it. Oh, doesn't it? I called it sand instead of sand. Actually, you know what? If I edit that, okay, edit the 3D data, and then I'll add. Where's it gone? This one. Edit that one. Go to 3D. And I can just like copy paste all this. A Control V, C, V, Control C, Control V. So the same position. X, Y, Z. Size, scale. Wait a minute. Rotation, position. What? I'll start it legit. We do it manually. I don't know. One teeny. Up. Down. Oh, what's this one? Oh, flip! It's the. I'll see what it. Oh God, you won't be able to see. It's right. Delete that. Delete that. Is this bloody thing? It's tiny. I didn't make it fill the flipping. I didn't. It's skinny. I didn't make it fat. I probably made a different one fat, but never mind. That's better. Dopey get right. I noticed. Oh, what's that one? Is that the yeah? Hide that. It's the. Is it this thing? No. This? No. It's the music. So intercom, lights, floor. Oh, because it's not. How is it? It's the audio that when you go in and oh look. Oh yeah. It's all got turned around now, isn't it? Where's the door? I know. There we are. So the door. It's just a door. I'm looking for the music. Oh, I can type. Look. Switchblade. You know, there's music that plays inside here. It's in this one. Bit over here. Did that? No. That? No. Where is it? This? Plane marker. Light. Is that an intercom? Oh, sorry. Let's just just go in there and see if it works. Is the audio, the sound in there when you go swamp? No. No, it wasn't swamp. I mean, I could go back and look, but I can't be bothered. So, anyway. Load. And we're going to get into quick save. I think this will do it. It was somebody like Say and I Am. It was him. It wasn't Vampy. It wasn't Vampy, so it might have been Say and I Am or one of those. Yeah, it wasn't Michael. Or Mike. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Whatever. Harry. I'll call you Harry. You can call me Sir. Is that all right? I don't know if that was in a movie or TV or something, but I remember somewhere. It's like some, you're sort of being introduced to people, and he says, "Hello, my name is Arnold or whatever, but you can call me Sir." I remember that very well. All right, we're going to God mode. Right, here we go. In. Actually, I feel a bit silly for not evening. I feel a bit silly now. I did the stupidest thing. Right, can I? No! Shit! And does it show as a settlement? It doesn't really matter. It's workshop, isn't it? But anyway, Museum of Freedom. Alright. Great. Yes. Why? The whole place is bloody. They've been THORD. Buildable area. It's this. I mean, to me, it's like this thing. I've done something wrong. It's like the linked from workshop linked primitive. I feel like it's just like the workbench isn't seeing it. But whatever. We'll plunk another thing. What's that gonna say? Okay. Defaults empty trigger. Boom. And then we got a link from here. Edit. Hang on, this was sat owned. All right, yeah. Workshop link primitive. Okay. So anyway, link it to Concord Museum 1. And hang on a minute. Is this one? Concord Museum 1. It is. Buildable area. Yeah, okay. And this one is to Sell. Ooh. Concord. Concord Museum 1. Reference. What did I call it? I didn't. Yeah. Default. This one. I'm like, oh, great. Oh, sorry, I got it here. I will call it sandbox. Did I spell it right this time? I did. Right. Edit. Concord Museum 1. And it's called Thord something. Sandbox with a keyword. What is it called? Keyword. Workshop linked sandbox. Workshop linked. Where's it going? No link. Link. There is no linked. There's the shape and size, doesn't matter. Yeah, that's what they told me as I went. Let's make this big, right? Got it big. How's that? I'll do. Down. There we go. That's probably it. Well, I hope it's it. I'm getting a bit fed up with doing this. So yeah. It's like an hour to do this and then half an hour to fix the damn thing. No, maybe I should just use that. No. Just once it has happened that a settler from the Concord location, whatever, Concord settlement, has walked through the museum. So fingers crossed that won't happen. But I can remove. Oh yeah, that's a point. I could try that. I could try removing the nav mesh from the roof of the museum, and then maybe they won't go there. Oh, I could make, actually, you know what? I could make the sandbox area now. Hang on, okay, here we are. Gold. I don't know why. Habit. I wonder if it's something to do with the Concord settlement. It could be. That might be like it's confused because I'm not in the Concord buildable area. No, because it doesn't matter. Okay. In. Oh, I want the light on. No. It is. It's as if Concord Museum location. Concord Museum zone. Exterior LOD work. Oh. Oh, I don't know. I'm fed up. I'm bored. Let's have a look at that mod I made for the other one. Ages and ages and ages. This one. Let's try that out. I can't remember if it what it does, but if it works or not. But I'll have a go. I tried to make the inside a settlement, and but it's very difficult to do because interiors. So we just load that. Yeah. This one works and the other one doesn't, then it might be something to do with the fact that well, I don't know, but I can edit this other mod, and see if it works. Or see why. That might show me why there's a problem. There were bits and pieces I didn't put in. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. When I was editing the location, I put one keyword in and not the other because I thought I said I'm not making this a place where settlers can live. I'll see what happens. I was trying to do the minimum. So it's not the sandbox. Sandbox can go. I know that much. But look. This one will work. This one did work. The only thing that didn't work is I could not recruit settlers, and I could not have a caravan going into the building, of course. Couldn't figure out how to link from the settlement to the caravan network so I could share the resources. Oh, I didn't have we got, is there anybody here? Right. Say this one's alright. See that? Yeah. Whee. Oops. I think I just deleted the wall. Right, let's whoops. I don't know, what did I do? I deleted the floor or something? It was that was funny. Oh, I see. I can. No, the way it's set up, you can't delete everything. So. Oh, I see. I deleted the dirt, and now there's nothing here. Could I put like a bit of floor on here? Why not? I haven't done the stackable thing. Why didn't that work? Yeah, okay. So what can I delete and what can't I then? There's so much crap here that needs to be deleted, but I don't. I think this must be a version that I didn't add. I mean, I can delete these, but I can't delete these. I think it's just that I didn't add. I didn't finish this mod. Yeah. Yeah, so some things I did. Didn't do these. I didn't do these people. But you can see what I'm thinking about is this one. Yeah. Yeah, you could actually make quite a nice place in here, couldn't you? Yeah. I remember testing this when I did it, and I had to go through and delete everything just to make sure I could. Hmm. Hmm. I think I probably have to change the lighting in here as well, wouldn't I? Can I build up here? No, because these are all like in general the floors in this game. They're all kind of like this. Most things you can't build on. So you've got to put. Didn't realise there was all this as well. Oh look. Like I can't even delete that sofa. Sometimes it's just like the scrap gets in the way of deleting something. It's really annoying. Okay. Oh, can I delete this door? That would be funny. No. Okay. So no, I didn't finish this. What a shame. A shame. All right. All right, here we are. Like, watch. Right, when would it have been? I'm going to have a look at them until I get the here it is. Yeah, look. Oh. Stay on I am. Yeah, right at the top. Hi, Harry. That's who it was. I know what Michael. I don't know who this is. Oh, somebody got stuck with what was it called? Stalker. He came in here to ask me why. I can't use that anyway because it's not finished. Oh, I so much want to go inside and do things. What about if I open? Cancel that. I'm going to try opening Thor TV Conk Museum Home, or whatever. No, that one. Different one. I'm going to try opening that other mod that works and just see why does that one work and the other one doesn't. So it'll be Thor Museum Home. Yeah. That's weird. I'll have a look. See what I set. I'm gonna make a coffee. There. Oh, what? Oh, contains forms. We should check the editor warnings. Oh, it's this thing now. Look. Oh. Forms, human race. Forms. What? I should have. I probably did that. Oh, it doesn't matter. I don't want to look at that. I want to look at the interiors. I want to go to Conk. I want to go Concord Museum 1. I want to know, what did I do in here? Concord Museum location. Interior Concord Museum Zone. Common data. Have I done anything in here? Can't travel from here. I think I would undo that. So it's called Concord Museum. Is it? Image space. There's the location. I've got workshop, type settlement, type workshop, type settlement. What do I put in here? In here I wrote where location. It's got to have those three. I don't think I put those three in. That might be why. I'm going to try that. I know I said I wasn't going to do it anymore, but I'm going to try it because it's be a shame if I'm not able to do it. Anyway, let's take that one out. It's out. I'll put that one back in. It's called Thought TV. Where's it gone? I called it Thought. Where's it gone? Yeah. I bet it's a location after all that. No, keywords for the cell. Find out. I should have a look at home plate, actually, and see what they put in home plate. Home plate is a player home, not a settlement in Diamond City. So I could have a look at that and see what they've done there. Home plate. I'll do both. All right, and see what. I'll look at I want to see the script for the workshop thing and what it's linked to and things like that. If you look at what they've done or the settlements, Fallout 4 settlements, if you look at the different settlements and see, well, how did they create the settlement? What that is, it actually they're not all done the same way, which doesn't help. And of course, Fallout 4 home plates. Home plates. What's the cell called? It's called DMND Player House 01. Of course. Oh, DMND is yes. Player House. This. So in this they got okay, fine. Use info. And for quest. Okay. What's they called it Diamond City Player House. Okay, Diamond. Hang on, DIA. Diamond. So the location where's the location then? Diamond City, Diamond. What was it? Diamond City Player House, was it? Or Diamond Player House? Diamond City Player House location. All right, it's got neither of that. Location reference types is workshop, Workbench. I don't remember doing that. I don't remember doing that. Let's have a look. Have a look at Concord. I bet that's it. Oh no. It's called Concord Museum. So this one, Concord Museum location. Workshop, workbench, into workshop ref type. No. Variable. Oh, it doesn't say interior cell, look. Parent location. Horse marker reference. Ooh. It's like alright. DMN Deegan. It doesn't mean mine is wrong. That's the funny thing. Workshop. Workbench, interior. I haven't got workshop, workbench, interior. Workshop script. Got a different one. Maximum triangles, that's the building, but owned by player equals true. I think it's different. It hasn't got a buildable area or any of that stuff. All it's got is a container. So the script is different. I think it might be that. Let's have a look. Concord Museum 1. Let's open it. I bet it's because I put workshop, workbench, not workshop, workbench, interior. Let me see. Because it's going to have a different script. What? This is workshop, workbench. It uses the workshop script. Properties. Owned by player. That's the only one that they've changed. So it's not that then. It's workshop radio data. Nah, it's not that. Ownership. Affected by link reference. I think the difference is what it looks like. Alright, let's have another look at DMND. This. Your X. Let's mark a heading. Oops. Oh shit. Edit. Is this the map mark? Oh, it's got all right. Okay, that's interesting. Is this the Sears? No, it's not. Oh, has it got a keyword? All right, that's a it's got a location center marker. But I expect Concord Museum's got one. Center. Oops. Oh. Copy. One of these. Is one of these a center marker? Nope. Oh, that wouldn't explain. What's the difference with the interior then? Workbench. Edit. What's the workbench workshop keyword? Interior only. Workshop general. Yes. Workshop keyword. Crafting, the exterior. This is exterior, and this is in. Oh, that's just. I think I'll give it a go. Let's try it. THORD. That. I'm going to edit it, and it's got link. Has it got any links from? A museum set owned. Edit. Link ref. Delete. Okay. Cancel. And this one. Now it's got none. Links ref. No. Delete. 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 I can delete it. Yes. I'm going to save that. I'll just quick look at the other one. DMND. Player house. Workshop. Interior. Edit. And it's got a linked reference, and it's going from, what's that? Oh, that's the container. And then linked from okay. Okay, good. Keywords. I don't know. It's just I think it's 270 point. Okay, whatever. I can't select it. Anything. Wait a minute. I have workbench. Okay. What? Why not? Okay. Ownership. Make sure I get everything exactly the same. Linked reference. Linked to this. Link ref. View. Link to that with a workshop resource container. Keyword workshop link container. Workshop link container. Okay. Edit. Game. These are just items in the thing. They're not anything. Comments. Reps. Right. Got all this max stuff. I don't care about set owned by player. He's got owned by player. That's the only other. Okay. Thing. Now, if I look at Concord here, and we get the location up. There. Oh, that's Concord location. Concord Museum location. And this one. And then this is player house. So if I say this, where's the location? If I can just get this working, then if you were to have a look at the vault, all right, DMND. If you were to look at the vault, that DLC, it would be different again. Edit. It's called Diamond City Player House. D. There it is. All right, now one we haven't even got the workshop one in there. We've got a workshop workbench interior here. Oh, it's up here. That. Why is that? I deleted it, didn't I? Forward. Workshop. I might upset the game now because I'll take that out. I mean that is the same now, right? And the encounter zone. Right, for Concord it's called interior data, Concord Museum Zone. Concord edit this, look. And the other one's called what? Diamond something player house. Probably. Player. Oh, home. Home. If they would just use naming. This is why you have to name your stuff. DMND player house. Player house. Why didn't that work? I did. Didn't I do that? There we are. Location. DMND. Player house. No, what? Never resets. Ownership. No, that's all. That's all. I'll give it a go. I am not optimistic at all. So then I think this one should need no trigger. to set it as owned. If it's interior that is the problem, then suddenly everything is fine. And it might be, mightn't it? Quick save. Might be. I'm trying to divide the stream a bit as well. I don't want to have like 7-hour long videos because nobody's going to able to watch them. If you want to look at something, I know because I do it. If I got a stream that long and I just want to find one thing, it's difficult to get to like 1 hour and 10 minutes. You click 1 hour or 1 hour and a half, but it's just sort of like the little slider along the bottom is terrible. And often, if I'm looking at live streams, if I see one that's 7 hours long, I'm not going to read. I'm not going to bother. I just thought it'd be nicer for other people if I do that differently. That's all. That's all. So all that messing about with triggers doesn't do anything, okay? Well, it does, but I mean, in here now, the triggers are not connected to anything, so they're not going to do anything. As far as I can tell. We've got to look at Vault, is it 88 or something? The other player Vault under the ground, that's a player home, so it's in the interior cell. Go and have a look at that, and you'll find it's completely different again. They'll have edited it and created things differently. Okay, I'm waiting for it to say click on something to start using it, and I don't see that anywhere. You know, when you see start using this workbench or something. That outside buildable area. There. Okay, well, whatever. What I will do, I will start again, but I'm not going to do it now. Obviously, that would be wrong of me. So what I'll do is I'll do it again, and I'll start from nothing, and I will more or less copy home plate with keywords, triggers, all that stuff. So just to make sure I don't get this wrong, it's called 30B Concord Museum. So go into Fallout. Where's Fallout 4? Ooh, don't have too many games. I really want to get into Fallout 3 and Fallout New Vegas, but it takes time. Data, and I'm going to 30B Concord Museum. That one. Hey? Oh, I see. Right. It's yes. Fine. Okay. Should be gone. It's gone. So, is it worth doing? No, not now. I've had enough. I've had enough. I want to generate the pre-hash stuff, whatever, for Concord, the Concord settlement. Now that I've finished it. But I need to know, for example, I need to see it happening that I don't get a Brotherhood of Steel random encounter in the middle of Concord. Right? Because by default, but from the game, that's what happens. Right, stopping. I'll come back very soon with proper game, with the game, playing it as normal without all this crap. So I'll see you in